Okay, so let us start today's class and just a small revision for others. Last class we have learned about the list. We can create any list and we can put the items of list in a square bracket. You can create a list in this manner. These are the items of the list, and if you want to print this list, then there is a command print and within bracket name. And when you run it by pressing F5, you can run the list. The result is there. These are the element of the list. And list create index for each element. For example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements are there. And if you want to know the index, then the index always start from the 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the index, and the same will go on negative also. So if you want to print any particular index position number, then A of, suppose that you have given 4. A of 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 90. Then 90 will print. Okay. Suppose that here is another list B is equal to, and that is a list of some names Ajay, Vijay, Pawan, Rahul. And if you want to print this, then in same way you have to write print B. Then this list will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. Okay. And add list A and list B. Then how you do that? Print A plus B. That means both list element will get added. Get added means not any arithmetic operations. क्यों? Because list always stores the string values. Means उनके ऊपर हम कोई arithmetic operation नहीं कर सकते. And if you want to add any element, new element in any list, then yesterday I told the command append. If you write a dot append, then whatever element you type, suppose that you have typed this element, then this will added to the list a at the last. So now you can see the, when I give print command, then you can see the a 1 to 3 added at the last. Okay, so these are the few things that we had already discussed in our previous class. And yesterday, one more thing I told you, that is to delete element from a list. And before this, just see one thing. If you want to print element from a particular range, then you can give index number 1 to 5. So 1 to 5 in the sense from 45 to index number 4. Okay. And a few more commands. Let us open that book. And I only teaching from this book. You don't need to purchase the computer science book. You have to purchase the information practices book of IP. Okay. And another command that I told you yesterday, that was for deleting the element. Suppose that you want to delete item from these are the commands that we have already discussed yesterday. Let us have a look on these commands, and after that we will move ahead. Just recall pop, del, and remove. Yesterday I told you these three commands to delete the element from a list. And those students who have started today, just have a glimpse of list by this theory, and I will share each and everything to you time to time. And if you have book, then you can go through list chapter. Otherwise, I will share all the notes. Here is the chapter list. List is a sequence data type. Sequence data type means it can store data one after another, and whatever you put in a square bracket, that will become the element of the list. You can store numbers, you can store strings, you can store any type of data in the list. For example, here L1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a list. L1 is a list of 4 integer element. Then next you have created another list. L2 is equal to Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. That is the list of 3 string elements. Then L3 is equal to, you didn't give any element here, so that is an empty list. And L4 is equal to, you have created a list of mixed element. Here string and number both are present. And in L5, that is a nested list. Nested list means list within a list. You can see here for the nested list. Suppose that I have taken B is equal to, and within B, that is the nested list. And if you want to print B, then you will see here, and within the B, Vijay and Pawan are again in a square bracket. That indicates that is a list inside a list. And if you talk about the index, then Ajay is on 0 index, and Vijay Pawan is on 1 index, and Rahul is on 2, and Navneet is on 3. Just find it. If you type index of 0, then what will we get? And if you type B index of 1, then you can see what we get. For B of 0, we get only Ajay, and for B of 1 index, we get this nested list, Vijay and Pawan. And within this list means विजय एंड पवन क्या नेस्टेड लिस्ट के अंदर है. अब इस नेस्टेड लिस्ट के अंदर अगर आप इनके आइटम को प्रिंट कराना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आपका होता है 1, और 1 के अंदर फिर आपका ये दो इंडेक्स आपके क्या हो गए, डबल डायमेंशन में अगर हम देखें तो 0 और 1 हो गए. तो अगर आप बी आप 1 आप 0 करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, विजय मिलेगा. और बी आप 1, and here if you have written then 1 matlab one index position in the main list, and within the main list there is another list. So 1 indicates the nested list index. Now you will get Vijay. If you type B1 1 0, 1 means index number 1, यही आपका index number 1 है. इंडेक्स नंबर 1 के अंदर 0 पोजीशन पे विजय है, और इंडेक्स नंबर 1 के अंदर ही 1 पोजीशन पे आपका क्या है, पवन है. इस तरह से नेस्टेड लिस्ट का ऑपरेशन भी हम कर सकते हैं. Now that is a speedy revision for only those who have joined today's class. लिस्ट आपका अल्टीमेटली पूरा फिनिश हो चुका है। यहाँ पर देखिए L1 कॉलन का मतलब क्या है कि ऑल एलिमेंट। अगर हम इस तरह से देते हैं प्रिंट 0:2, 0:2 का मतलब है 0 इंडेक्स से लेके और 2 से 1 कम तक। तो ये सारी चीजें हो चुकी थी। यहाँ पे देखिए अपेंड फीचर फंक्शन पढ़ाया जा रहा था। अपेंड बता चुके हैं, अपेंड इज यूज्ड टू ऐड एलिमेंट इन अ लिस्ट एंड लिस्ट स्लाइसेस। अभी आपको मैंने दिखाया कि यू कैन प्रिंट द एलिमेंट ऑफ लिस्ट ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर इंडेक्स पोजीशन, और you can also print element. Suppose that you have written print a of, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 element. Just increase the elements here. Okay, now it has multiple elements. Now you have given print a index number 2 to index number 6. Then in first printing it will show all the element of the list, and in second printing it will show only from 2 to 6. 2 to 6 means index number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Whatever the last index boundary, उससे एक कम आपका प्रिंट करता है। तो यहाँ पे one more thing you can see. Suppose that you have given 2 to 8, then it will print up to index number 2 to 8. If you have given index number 2 to 10, then it will print from 2 to 9. And from 2 to 9, if you by default the step is 1, and if you want to increase the step, then you can give here 2. Then it will print, but after skipping the element, means index number 2, then after adding the 2 index number 3, not 3, after 2 index number 4, then after 4 index number 6, then after 6 index number 8, and after 8 it becomes 10, and we have to take with less than 10. एक कम ही लेना है, 9 तक लेना है, तो उसके आगे कोई एलिमेंट आपका प्रिंट नहीं होगा। तो ये बेसिक चीजें हैं जो आपको बताई जा चुकी हैं पहले ही।